Good morning to all. I am Karthikeyan from School of Engineering. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, the Unit 1 Error Detection and Correction Capabilities, we are discussing the linear block codes. In this presentation, how to the block code are encoded in the communication transmissions and what are the different types of error control coding and what are the linear block code and what is the convolutional block codes. Now in linear block codes, in this linear block code the parity bit and message bit have a linear combinations, which means that the resultant code word is the linear combination of any two code words. Let us consider some block of data which contains k bit in each block. These bits are mapped with the block which has n bit in the each block. Here the n is a greater than k, the transmitter add redundant bit which are n minus k bit. The ratio of k n is the code rate. It is denoted by r and the value of r is a r less than or less than equal to 1. The n minus k bit added there are odd parity bits. The parity bit help in error detection and correction and also in locating the data in the data being transmitted. The leftmost bit of the code word corresponding to the message bit and the rightmost bit of the code word corresponding to the parity bit. So these are the linear block code to function the complete n block in the block of datas. Now we see the linear block code is two different categories divided. One is a systematic code and another one is a non-systematic code. In systematic code, a linear block code can be a systematic code until it is altered. Hence, an unaltered block code is called a systematic code. The following representation of the structure of code word according to their allocations. The structure of code word is a k bit n minus k bit. That is a k bit is a information, that is a group of messages, k bit messages, and n minus k, n is a number of blocks. So n minus k bit, that is a parity bit. Parity bit is nothing but the number of block in the messages. So the parity bit is nothing but the n minus k bit. So the totally the complete code word of systematic code, the number of message bit k and n minus k parity bit. So the total number of message bit and parity bit is called a systematic code. Now we have to discuss the convolutional code. In the process of encoding, the parity bit are subtracted from the whole data and the message bit are encoded. Now the parity bit are again added and the whole data is again encoded. Now in convolutional encoder, there are three registers are used. That is x1, x2, x3 registers. The three registers, the incoming information, that is incoming data bits to simultaneously flow the three registers. The registers are added in the XOR adder and the convolutes the output of the encoded value. So these values are used to detect the error and isolate the original messages. So these are the convolutional coding examples. So now we considered the example of block code data. The binary values of 100101 and 01011011 and 101011. So this block code of data is a stream of the whole group of code words. So we see the code words, that is an example of stream of code data. The stream of data is a code word. Now another one is a Hamming code. The linearity property of the code word is the sum of code word is also a code word. Hamming code are the types of linear error correcting code which can detect up to 2-bit error, or they can correct 1-bit errors without the detection of uncorrected errors. Okay. Second one, while using the Hamming code, extra parity bit are used to identify a single bit error to get from one bit pattern to other. Few bit are to be changed in the data. Such numbers of bit can be termed as a Hamming distance. If the parity has a distance of 2, one bit flip-flop can detected, but this cannot be corrected. Also, any 2-bit flips cannot be detected. However, the Hamming code is a better procedure than the previously discussed ones in the error detection and correction. So, in this presentation, we have to study the linear block code, how to work the linear block code, how to control the error free delivery in the communication network, and convolutional code, how to read the redundant error bits in the original messages, and the Hamming codes, how to the incoming bits or Hamming distance in the parity of two original messages and duplicate messages. So the Hamming code is a better procedure to previously discussed one of the error detection and correction. Thank you for watching this video.